Good Monday afternoon, everyone. I'm back here with another card break. As you can tell, this sort of looks a little different than the prism I break. But my brother helped me get some older boxes of cards. I thought it'd be interesting to break some of these 20-year-old, 30-year-old cards just to see what's in there. I mean, what we're going to be breaking today is 1994 Flair. It's Series 1. I know there's not a lot of value in the box, but maybe we can pull some Hall of Famers or just pull the some of the star cards or some of the inserts. I'm hoping to do a few more of these little old card breaks. They call it junk wax, but nowadays it's not that much junk wax because everything is going up in price. I mean, we got the 94 Flair, got Ted Williams card company, the Premier Edition. We're going to do that one night. Here's 93 Upper Deck, Series 1. And of course, I've got Leaf. I've got some other stuff down here sitting on the floor, but I've got a few boxes. Maybe we can try this, see how y'all like it. I hope you like the content. If you would subscribe, give a thumbs up, give me some feedback, give me some negative feedback, constructive criticism. But enough that being said, let's open this up and see if we can find some Hall of Famers or some insert cards. I know this is probably a lot more packs. I'll probably go through it a little fast, or might even get talking. But I hope everybody likes this. This is one product that I remember collecting when I was a kid. If I can get this in here, because I like how it come in the little boxes, which I always thought was cool when I was growing up as a kid. So I think there are 36 packs or 24. Let me see. We're going to open them all, so I just want to. So we got in each stack 2, 4, 6, 24 packs. So we'll see if we get anything interesting. Now, what I'm gonna do is probably just get rid of the box. I still like to open these old cards sometimes. It's interesting. Then when my brother helped me find these, I was like, well, this takes some people back to their no more cards. Take people back to their younger, when they was kids collecting. It's been so long since I opened these, I probably forgot how to. Of course, it's 250 card set. Look for the 10 Wave of the Future, 10 Outfield Power, and 10 Hot Numbers limited edition. The limited edition inserts will appear in a range of odds from 1.5 packs to 1 in 25 packs. A lot better than odds today on finding a card, unless they just tell you if it's in there. And these probably gonna be stuck together. Give them a little. If they're too stuck together, we'll just flip it over on the back and see what we got. I'm not gonna do this. Trying to see if I can see the names here. Tom Hinkie. That's a thick stock for a card. Rick Hilling. Look there. Ken Griffey Jr. Still got some good cards in this stuff. Mike Moore. Keith. The lots. I don't say names great, so I'm not even going to attempt it. Mike Bordick. Al Martin. Jack Armstrong, Eric Anthony, and Carlos Baerga. So we got a Griffey out of the first pack, which is good. Cut some of these open so I don't do it so much. I'm really interested in opening that Ted Williams because it has a lot of subsets in it, but it was never really took off that great. Ben needs up that UV protection. Try not to make this video too long. Try to get through these if I can. There's Scott Erickson, Bill Taylor, Steve Cook, Ricky Gutierrez, Checklist, Stan Belinda, Mike Timlin, Solomon Torres, Kevin Stalker, and Troy Neal. Get this next pack. If y'all want to leave in the comments if you see something on the screen that you want me to open next. Of course, I have 92 leaf series 1 and 2. Over here to the side, I've got some 93 studio, and then I got some Leaf Series 1 and 2 from 1993. So if you interested in any of those, and then I'll probably display some more out on the screen for the next video, and we'll go from there and we'll see what we can find. Pedro Martinez, he was young there. Corey Snyder, Scott Cervez, Jose Vizcaíno, Danny Tartable, Ozzie Smith. There's another Hall of Famer. Wally Joyner, John Olerud. I really think he was an underrated player when he was playing. Darren Lewis, and here is a outfield power of Albert Bell. Looks like I'm getting some insert cards. Of course, a lot of these products, you know as well, there's no autographs in this, or in a bunch of these products I have out here, but it's just nice pulling some of those old Hall of Famers now. This is Mike Maddox, Derek Bell, Mark Whitten, Mike McFarland, Dave Stewart. I believe Dave Stewart's in the Hall of Fame. Kurt Manwaring, Jeff Juden, Pedro Martinez again, Corey Snyder again, and then here's a Wave Elite of James Moten. 7/10. I have to cut these boxes open. Should have unpacked them, but I wanted to open this whole box on here while everybody was on here. They could have just put the cards in the box. Ozzie Guillen. Look there's Bo Jackson with the Angels. Billy Hatcher, Ben McDonald, Chris Hammond, Mike Harkey, Barry Larkin, Hall of Famer, Glenn Allen Hill, David Justice, remember that 95, I think it's 95, him and Ryan Klesko, Sid Bream getting them to the slid into home plate, making it to the World Series. I may be telling my age. I like these are not bad cards. These, I mean, you know, for what my brother picked them up for, just getting some of the Hall of Famers, you'd get some of your money. You'd get some of your money back. Not much. Andujar Cedeno, John Franco, Jimmy Key, another checklist. Mark Dewey, Trevor. Keep getting my hands out of the screen. Trevor Hoffman, Brian Hickerson. It's hard to see this in this light. I didn't know they were this. I forgot they were like this. Milt Thompson, Dennis Martinez, and an outfield power of Barry Bonds. Do this next stack real quick. I'm just trying to find different things what people like to build this channel. I know I don't have the high tech stuff where I have nice intros and all that, but we'll get there one day. I'm just, like I said, this is just building this up, see what we can do with it. I want y'all to be there with me when I get all these viewers, the people that help me out in the beginning will not be forgotten. So there's Don Mattingly, Real Cormier, Vince Coleman, I remember him with St. Louis. Joe Carter. There's another that's a Barry Bonds base card. Lenny Dykstra, hard-nosed player. Will Cordero. Earl Hershiser. Wasn't he the Bulldog? Tom Edens and Scott Lewis. Hope I don't bore y'all too much, but I guess this is, people wants to see the old wax, but that's the reason I mean, I don't do just baseball. Eventually I'll do some football, I'll do some basketball whenever we can get or whenever I can get my hands on some that you don't have to give your retirement up for it. Chris Hales, Orestes Destrada, I'm guessing. Joe Girardi. Oh, Hector, I'm not going to butcher it. Jose Guzman, Mike Kelly, Alex Diaz, Jason Bier, Gary Lorencia, and another outfield power of Tim Salmon. Y'all can tell me what y'all think about this product when y'all were collecting it, when y'all were kids, if y'all were collecting at this time period, if this, how you felt about this set. There's Brian Jordan. I remember him with the Braves. Greg Gagne, Roberto Alomar, Hall of Famer. John Burkett. Jim Eisenreich. just now, you can see a little, the Philly symbol here goes through. It's on a shadow. You can see it on the front. There's Cliff Floyd, Raul Mondesi, Luis Gonzalez, and Todd Hundley. Whoops, hit my ruler. There's Doc Gooden, Jim Larritz, I'm not even gonna try, Kevin Apier, Pat Hintgen, Todd Berenger, or Benzinger, or something. Todd Berenger's a movie, sorry, I'm sorry. Darren Dalton, Sean Berry, Pedro Estachio, and a wave card of Steve Carsey. Xavier Hernandez, Jim Tomei, Rich Becker, Jeremy Burnitz, Junior Felix, Mike Gallagher, there's Manny Ramirez, Kent Herbeck, Mark Wohlers, Greg Hibbard. I'm talking too much. I didn't want to make this video long. Danny Darwin, Jeffrey Hammond, Jeff Conine, Ellis Burks, Tom Browning, Sean Dunston, Tom Glavine, there's your Hall of Famer. Ricky Bones, does that say Ricky Bones? Yep, Ricky Bones. William Alvarez, and another wave of the future of Dave Stanton. I'm trying to keep this video under 25 minutes, so we'll see if we can get through all these. Just want to see if I'm gonna see if this will speed up the process any. One good thing is I don't have to turn around all the cards. Like a lot of companies do, where you have to flip them every certain way. They're backwards or front. These are pretty much all one certain way. See how quick we can get through this. Brian Anderson, Scott Cooper, Harold Baines, good player. Kurt Abbott, Dante Bichette, Brett Boone, Steve Buechele, Jeff Blauser, liked his defensive play, Cecil Fielder, and Tony Phillips. Kent Merker, that's when the Braves had that great pitching lineup. Darrell Hamilton, there's Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt, Tim Salmon, Mo Vaughn, Chris Sabo, David Weathers, Eric Young, John Smiley, and Steve Carsey again on the wave of the future. I believe we got one of those inserts I was talking about. Here is Hot Numbers, Mike Piazza. It's got that sort of different etching on it. Don Slott, Doug Strange, another checklist. John Doherty, Dave Winfield, Hall of Famer. Steve Carsey again, base card. Kevin Young, Dave Stanton, and Dave Fleming. I believe this is moving a little quicker. Darren Fletcher, Todd Worrell, Todd Jones, Jay Bell, not going to try it, Todd Zeal, Jeff Montgomery, Todd Stottlemyre, and Mark Portugal. Oh, and there's one behind it. Paul Sorrento. There's Mark McGuire on the back of this one. And another insert on the front. Kirby Puckett, one of the best players right there. That's that outfield power insert. Greg Hibbard, Tony Phillips, Scott Lewis, Ron Darling, Orlando Merced. His name was too long. Will Clark, loved him at San Francisco. Chris Basio, and Albert Bell. And then there's the Mark McGuire. I know, bending these cards, it's the only way I can get them apart. Steve Trassel, Fred McGriff, the Crime Dog, Jeff Bronke, Tim Raines, Rock Raines, good player, Eduardo Perez, Dave Val, nice Cal Ripken Jr. right there. Gary Sheffield with the Marlins, Bruce Ruffin, Tim Davis. See if we can get through these, and we'll probably be doing pretty good on video time because I don't want to keep y'all too long. But I hope y'all are enjoying this break. Like I said, if there's something up here on the screen you see, or just y'all want me to break whatever, if y'all like this old stuff, you just let me know, and I'll do what y'all want me to, and I'll keep trying to get some of these old cards if you like these. Trying to figure out what piece of tape or a little something. I don't know what. I guess that's from the factory. Back in '94. How old were you in '94? Okay, I'm not a big fan of these little boxes anymore. It's gonna be fun picking them up. Wonder if I could get my kids down here to pick them up for me. Of course, that's after getting them off of video games and all that good stuff. This is the last of it. I hope you've liked this video, and and like and subscribe, and we'll do some more vintage, new, old, just $5 box, $2 box, just whatever you like. Y'all make suggestions and I'll do what I can. Kurt Reuter, Tim Wallach, Mitch Williams, Mike Maddox, Derek Bell, Mark Whitten, Mike McFarland, Dave Stewart. I always will remember him with the A's. And there is Javi Lopez, Wave of the Future. Remember him catching it for the Braves. Armando Reynoso, Jose Rijo, Carl Rhodes. There's Javi Lopez again. Kevin Satzer, Joe Hall, Mark Leiter, Aaron Seeley, Mark McLemore, and another Wave of the Future, and it's Ryan Klesko, another Brave. There's a lot of Braves in this box. Kurt Manwaring, Jeff Juden, Pedro Martinez. We pulled a few of those. Corey Snyder. Sort of has, I don't know if you can tell, that line here. I don't know if that's or not a misprint, but on the card where it got right in the middle of it because there's nothing on the back. Scott Service, Joe Vizcaíno, Danny Tartable, Ozzie Smith, the Wizard again, Wally Joyner, and another outfield power of Lenny Dykstra. Reggie Sanders, there's Ryan Sandberg, Hall of Famer. Back-to-back Hall of Famers, part of that nice pitching core for the Braves in the 90s. Greg Maddux, Hall of Famer. Turner Ward, Darren Jackson, Greg Myers, John Valentine, Jamie Moyer, good pitcher, Dave Magadan, and Juan Gonzalez, home run power. Brian Harvey, Robert Mayha, I guess, Hal Morris, Randy Myers, there's Ryan Klesko, Mark Kiefer, Ozzie Guillen, another Bo Jackson. I like that card. I forgot he even played with the Angels. Billy Hatcher, and an outfield power of Joe Carter. Last pack. Please like and subscribe and leave me comments, thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll take anything, but just don't be too harsh on me. Chan-Ho Park, Wave of the Future. That's a pretty nice little card. Felix Freeman, Wayne Kirby, Terry Steinbach, Daniel Hulse, Reggie Jefferson, Alan Trammell, another good Hall of Famer. There's Kirby Puckett. I always like Kirby Puckett. And there was three Hall of Famers all in a row. And ended the box with 3 Hall of Famers. I lied. I almost did. And Zane Smith. Well, guys, I hope, guys and girls, hope y'all like this product. I mean, it was out a long time ago, but if you see something on there that you like, feel free to let me know. I mean, I've got plenty of things to open. Like there's 93 Stadium Club, Series 1 and 3. Here is 93 Flair. Here's those Stadium Clubs, Series 1 and 2. If you like any of those, I've got there's the Studio, 93 Studio. There is 93 Leaf. It's got Frank Thomas. I'm trying to fit it up here. So if you see anything on this video you like, I got Series 1 and 2 of that. Just leave down in the comments below and hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think. Y'all have a good night, and I'll try to make another video tomorrow.